let's roll in direction Scotland. We're having quite some fun and the sun is going down, shining into the motorhome, and it's just, traveling is amazing. Go out and do something.
Telegramm nicht angekommen. Ich bin fucking Yoko Ono. Watch that scene, dig it for dancing queen. Don't wanna be an American idiot.
Okay friends, this is the gas price over Europe. So in Germany, as we're getting diesel, we pay, as you see, €1.26. And if we would get our next time gasoline in, where's Great Britain? Great Britain will be €1.46. So we're going to get gas in Germany. Good old Germany has the best prices, yeehaw!
Oh, Netherlands!
Oh, Netherlands! We screwed it!
I think we did.
We kind of wanted to get gas in good old Germany because it's cheaper. Probably it's cheaper because of the good old German efficiency. But anyway, we're already in the Netherlands, so...
No, we are in the Netherlands right now. Now we have to go to the gas station in Netherlands to fill up the tank.
So for all you guys who think Dutch would be German people, no, that's not the case. Dutch are people from Netherlands and Germans are people from Germany. Does it make sense?
Obvious.
Yes, I do think so. Herzlichen Glückwunsch! Denn die Marina hat Geburtstag! Marina! Das ist die, die Geburtstag hat! Marina! Guck doch mal nach vorne! Marina! Marina! Da! Marina hat Geburtstag!
Okay, Benny, I think it's your turn now.
It's mine.
Yeah,
So
on
I'm
your
on
side.
the wrong side.
No, you're on the right side.
I wear my sunglasses at night.
Good evening, friends. Good to see you. Here we are in Dunkirk, or however you say in English, at the what's that called again? Ferry, but car ferry. At the car ferry, we made it after an 8-hour ride, nice and smooth. How did you like the ride?
Well, actually, it's quite comfortable, like chilling back here, and yeah, I like it a lot. It's really easy, like it's super slow, so we actually took way longer than we expected to. But well, we arrived on time, so all good.
This is 3G, and this is episode 1 of our Scotland trip. To see episode 2, you have to head over to the channel of Benny over there. It's called
German Moose. German Moose.
German Moose. So just look for German Moose and watch the second episode.
Link in description.
Link is in the description below.
And up here.
And now, well, enjoy your lives wherever you are, and we'll see each other, and you'll see each other, well, we all see each other again in the next episode. See ya. If you like the video, please hit that like button. And if you didn't like it, just do it anyways, because it actually makes a difference. And don't forget to subscribe, please, to this channel, and also head over to the German Moose. Since the next video will be uploaded there. You can also find all the videos together in just one playlist to make it easy for you guys. in the description below, or just like head over to playlists and have a look, and feel free to watch other videos as well. And you can do whatever you want to do because you are free.
Just like 3G.
Right. And we'll see each other
in the next video.
very good. Bye.